Patiowell is a brand specializing in outdoor home storage, sheds, and boxes. Easy-to-install products and full ranges of models commit you to storage well and save more spaces. An amazing outdoor living experience can definitely be discovered in Patiowell. Our product categories mainly contain storage sheds of various materials and deck boxes. By now, for storage sheds, galvanized steels, plastics, and woods provide stability to meet different requirements. For deck boxes, sustainable and eco-friendly polypropylene supports the environmental protection. To ensure products' quality and practicality, we are constantly updating our category. With our complete supply chain and factories, we can provide high-quality outdoor home products at more favorable prices. Overseas warehouses contribute to the exact timeliness. We have launched our own online shopping website, providing consumers with a better shopping experience. We have an active interconnection of social medias conclude YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and so on. We have committed to shoot amounts of official videos. At the same time, we have cooperated with apposite creators who have posted or will post a series of promotional and advertising videos. As a professional outdoor home brand, we are willing to expand a broad worldwide market. Our vision is to bring consumers a superior outdoor living, and we believe that we can build up a fascinating life for our customers.